Do you know that the use of essential oils dates back to ancient civilizations and have been utilized by various cultures for their aromatic, therapeutic, and medicinal properties for thousands of years? In this video, we will be taking you through Essential Oils 101, a beginner's journey. As a bonus for you to watch till the end, we will also be sharing with you precious tips to differentiate the quality of essential oils. So do watch on. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now then, how do we use the essential oils? Using essential oils is simple and versatile. However, it is important to understand how best to use the essential oils for different functions. Here are a few common methods. Number 1. Aromatherapy. This term is coined through therapy via inhaling the aroma of essential oils. Inhalation can possibly be the most effective method for issues concerning emotions and mental stress, as that is the shortest path from our nose to the limbic part of the brain, which deals with emotions, memories, and arousal. You can put a few drops of essential oils on your palm to inhale directly, or use an ultrasonic diffuser to diffuse the oils. One thing you should never ever do is to burn your essential oils on an open flame, as that will change the properties of your essential oils and could possibly be harmful. Number 2. Topical application. Dilute essential oils with a carrier oil like organic virgin coconut oil or sweet almond oil, then apply to your skin. This can be great for massage or targeted relief, as well as for creating your own skincare serums and balms. Number 3. Ingestion. There are some extremely high quality essential oils certified for oral use that can be ingested. This method is preferred for certain conditions involving the skin, digestive, and immune systems. Now that you know the methods of application, it is important to also learn the safety precautions when using these essential oils. Do check out my other video on safety of essential oils after you have finished this video in the link down below in the description box. Now let's talk about the benefits of essential oils. Number 1. Physical wellness. Many essential oils have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, which can support your immune system and overall health. Number 2. Emotional support. Certain oils can uplift your mood, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. Number 3. Skincare. Some oils work wonders for your skin, helping with issues like acne, dryness, and inflammation. You may also wish to create your own natural personal care products like lotions, balms, and scrubs, customized with your favorite essential oil scents. Number 4. DIY household cleaning. Essential oils can be used to create natural and effective cleaning solutions, making your home both clean and aromatic. For example, they can be added to your laundry wash or added to baking soda, so you can sprinkle this aromatic mix on your carpet to cleanse it before vacuuming it off. Number 5. Food and beverages. Certain essential oils like citrus oils, lavender, and herbal oils like basil, oregano, and rosemary are popular choices used to flavor foods and beverages. However, do be reminded that essential oils are not made of the same quality. Use only food-grade oils or oils certified for oral use only. Number 6. Spiritual connection. Essential oils have been used for their spiritual benefits, helping individuals create a sense of calm, mindfulness, and connection during practices like meditation or prayer. There are several essential oils such as frankincense and myrrh that are mentioned several times in the Bible too. Now that we know what essential oils are, let's cover the basics of 10 very popular and commonly used essential oils. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender oil is known for its calming properties, making it an ideal choice for relaxation and sleep. Its aromatic oases and soothing properties make it an ideal choice for unwinding after a long day. It also promotes serenity in a bottle, reducing anxiety and promoting calmness. Lavender oil is also skin-loving, making it suitable for DIY massage blends or personal care products. Lavender oil's antiseptic qualities can assist with minor cuts, burns, and insect bites, providing gentle relief when needed most. There are many other uses of lavender, and I have dropped a link below to my other video on lavender essential oil where I share in detail its uses and benefits. Number 2. Peppermint. Peppermint oil is a natural energizer with a refreshing scent that can boost energy and aid digestion. Its cool and uplifting aroma is perfect for mornings, boosting mental clarity. Peppermint oil's soothing properties can ease digestive discomfort when applied topically or diluted for a gentle massage. It can also help beat the heat by cooling the skin with a carrier oil and relieve tension headaches with its natural analgesic properties. Peppermint essential oil can also be used to create lip balms and foot scrubs, adding a refreshing twist to your DIY beauty and self-care projects. If you'd like to find out more about peppermint oil's other uses and benefits, I have dropped a link below to my other video on peppermint essential oil. Number 3. Tea tree. Tea tree oil is a versatile and natural solution for skin, hair, cleaning, and more. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a go-to for supporting skin's natural defenses and promoting a clear complexion. It can help with blemishes, breakouts, and minor skin irritations when diluted and applied topically. Tea tree oil's soothing qualities can help address scalp issues, providing relief from dandruff and itching. It can also be used as a natural cleaning guru, making cleaning easier and creating a healthier home environment. To find out more about tea tree oil's other uses, do check out my other video on tea tree oil in the link down below. Number 4. Lemon. Lemon essential oil is a versatile essential oil that can uplift, energize, and clean. Its vibrant scent can instantly boost mood, enhance alertness and focus, and make it an ideal addition to workspaces or study areas. Its natural antiseptic properties make it a star in homemade cleaning solutions, leaving your space fresh and sparkling. Lemon oil's immune-stimulating and antioxidant properties offer support and invigoration during challenging seasons. Additionally, lemon essential oil can elevate dishes and beverages, adding a burst of freshness to culinary creations. If you'd like to find out more about lemons, other uses, and benefits, I have dropped a link down below to my other video on lemon essential oil. Number 5. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus oil is another versatile essential oil used for respiratory support, relaxation, cleaning, and more. Its invigorating aroma provides relief and promotes clearer breathing, making it a natural choice for respiratory support. Eucalyptus oil's cool and minty scent enhances mental clarity and rejuvenates senses, making it perfect for aromatherapy sessions. Its analgesic properties help relax muscles after a long day, making it an ideal addition to massage blends. Eucalyptus oil can also be used as a DIY spa time, transforming spaces into a spa oasis. Its antibacterial properties create a fresh and germ-free environment, making it a valuable asset in cleaning arsenals. Additionally, its scent can deter insects, making it a safer and natural alternative to chemical-laden repellents. I have dropped a link below to my other video on eucalyptus, where I share more on the different eucalyptus species and in detail on its uses and benefits. Number 6. Frankincense. Frankincense essential oil is great for spiritual connection, emotional well-being, skincare, and more. Its warm and grounding aroma has been used for centuries to promote mindfulness, meditation, and a deeper connection to oneself. Frankincense's soothing properties can help ease stress and anxiety, providing a gentle sense of tranquility. It also promotes radiant skin with its anti-aging properties, making it a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Beyond beauty, frankincense resonant scent can elevate your space and create an ambience of tranquility and serenity, which helps you sleep better too. Frankincense is also an amazing immune booster, protecting and strengthening our immune systems. If you'd like to find out more about frankincense, other uses and benefits, I have dropped a link down below to my other video on frankincense. Number 7. Rosemary. Rosemary essential oil is a natural ally for focus, energy, hair care, and even culinary delights. Its invigorating scent can improve focus, memory, and overall mental clarity, making it a valuable companion during study or work. Its revitalizing aroma provides an uplifting burst of motivation, making it a great addition to your morning routine or even at night if you are intending to burn the midnight oil. Rosemary oil's stimulating properties promote healthy hair and support hair growth when added to your hair care routine. Its herbal and slightly woody flavor adds depth to dishes and beverages, infusing them with culinary magic. I have dropped a link down below to my other video on rosemary essential oil, where I share in detail on its uses and benefits. Number 8. Geranium. Geranium oil is a versatile essential oil that promotes emotional well-being, skincare, and hair care, as well as hormonal wellness for the ladies. Its sweet floral scent helps balance emotions and helps one to let go of past unpleasant memories. Its natural astringent properties help promote healthy-looking skin and address concerns like acne and oiliness as well. Geranium oil can be used as a natural perfume and bug repellent too. Its scent helps deter insects and offers a fragrant alternative to chemical repellents. Do check out my other video on geranium after you have finished this video to find out more about geranium's other uses and benefits. You can find the link in the description down below. Number 9. Rose. Rose essential oil, extracted from the fragrant petals of the Rosa damascena flower, is a versatile elixir cherished for its myriad of uses. Renowned for its exquisite scent, it's a cherished component in perfumes and aromatherapy, offering soothing relaxation and stress relief. Diluted with a carrier oil, it becomes a luxurious skincare remedy, moisturizing and rejuvenating the skin, while its anti-inflammatory properties calm irritation and redness. Rose essential oil is also highly revered for its potential to alleviate menstrual discomfort and hormonal imbalances. A drop of rose can infuse your day with elegance and love, making you feel more beautiful and confident. Do check out my other video on rose essential oil after you have finished this video to find out more about its other uses and benefits. I have left the link down below. Number 10. Sandalwood. Sandalwood essential oil, derived from the hardwood of the santalum tree, holds a rich history of cultural and therapeutic significance. Its warm, woody aroma makes it a popular choice in aromatherapy, promoting relaxation and mental clarity when diffused or applied topically. Revered for its skin-enhancing qualities, when used neat or diluted, it can diminish blemishes and hydrate the skin. This oil also finds use in spiritual practices, aiding in meditation and grounding rituals due to its calming effect on the mind. With its versatile applications, sandalwood essential oil stands as a cherished essence, weaving together fragrance, wellness, and a sense of inner tranquility. You can find out more about sandalwood's other uses and benefits in my other video as well. I have left the link down below. As you have learned from 10 essential oils above, each essential oil has its own set of properties, ranging from relaxation and stress relief to promoting focus and boosting energy. As there are countless essential oils, do check out this playlist of essential oils in the link above and down below to learn more about them. You may also wish to consider enrolling in our NAHA aromatherapy course that is internationally certified to learn more about aromatherapy professionally and clinically. Without further ado, let's find out more about the quality of essential oils. Number 1. Sourcing. First and foremost, the source of your essential oils are important. These are some important questions to ask when looking for essential oils of the highest quality produced under the most stringent standards. 1. Where are the plants grown? Number 2. How are the oils extracted? Number 3. Do they use biodynamic farming techniques? Number 4. Are they grown on virgin land that's never been planted on before? Number 5. Are the water sources surrounding the farm pure and clean? Number 6. Do they omit the use of herbicides, pesticides, chemical and synthetic fertilizers? Number 7. Are the plants harvested and distilled right at the same place? Number 8. Are you able to visit the farm that the plants are grown on? If the seller is unable to answer any of these questions, there is a high chance that they are of substandard. Number 2. Quality control. Another tough question to determine the quality of the essential oils. Do you know how rigorous the brand is in testing the oils? Reputable brands will often provide testing results, ensuring the oils meet specific quality standards. Number 3. Different grades. While there are no universal standard or regulation for the grade of essential oils are typically categorized into these 4 main grades. Grade A, therapeutic grade essential oils. These oils are of the highest grade, derived from plants grown from biodynamic farming techniques and distilled with low temperature and low pressure to preserve their therapeutic properties. These oils are certified for oral use or labeled as oral supplements and have a raw, grassy, or herbal smell. Different batches of essential oils will smell slightly different as well, due to differences in weather and soil conditions, as compared to those with consistent sweet afternotes found in inferior oils. Grade B, pure and organic essential oils. These oils may be pure and organic, but may not exhibit the full therapeutic or medicinal properties of grade A. They are distilled at high temperatures and high pressure, resulting in more essential oils in a shorter period of time, but destroying most of the therapeutic properties. Grade C, adulterated oils. Essential oils are adulterated, diluted with lower quality substances, or substituted with cheaper plants. And Grade D, synthetic oils. Synthetic oils are artificially created in the lab, lacking the beneficial properties of natural essential oils and potentially harmful to health. These oils are often labeled as fragrance oil, scented oil, fragrances, perfume, or added to toilet and car air fresheners. And there you have it, an introduction to the world of essential oils. Which is your favorite essential oil? Comment below. You may also wish to find out whether essential oils expire in my other video here in the link above and down below in the description box. If you like this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about the benefits of these potent herbal essences. Check out this playlist of the most popular essential oils and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.